So we are having a faculty-student foursquare tournament today at Barnstable United Elementary School. So we're just doing the last-minute finishing touches to set everything up and get the 800 kids in here to have a great way to end their Friday.
Okay, sounds good. Well, today students will be participating in a students versus staff foursquare tournament, and this is a game that the PE teachers have taught students explicitly so that they can be successful engaging in this activity during recess time. So we're kind of reinforcing the physical education skill and the rules of the game while also having a lot of fun together.
The goals of this event are to bring our school together as an entire community. We don't have that many opportunities unless we, create them to bring all 800 plus kids together. So this is a great way to have the kids, bring them all together as a school and have them play together in an event that they do on the playground, but we're going to model it here, so hopefully that'll reduce any problems with this game on the playground.